Welcome back, everyone. Mr. Rodney here. Have another SAT problem for you guys. So let's get right into it. A rectangular garden is twice as long as it is wide. If the area of the garden is 288 feet, what is the length of the garden? So to put things into perspective, let's draw out our rectangular garden. So we're going to draw a rectangle. And we don't know what the width is, so we're going to put W. And they say that the length is twice the length of the width. And we know that the area is 288 feet. So remember the formula for a rectangle rather, is length times width. So we know the length times the width is 288 feet. So now we're just going to input the information that we know. So the width times the length is equal to 288. So we're just going to combine, multiply everything together. So W times 2W, that's going to be 2W squared, equals to 288. And then we just solve for our equation. So everything that's being done to W, we do the opposite. So it's being multiplied by 2, so to undo that, we divide by 2. Do the same thing on the opposite side of the equal sign. We're left with W squared equals to 144. And to undo that square root, or to undo that square, we square root, and we're left with the length of the width, right? So we know the width is 12 feet long. But remember, we're looking for the length. So twice the length of the width is 24. So that would be our answer. So we have to be careful because if you look at our answer choices, they have 12 feet as an answer choice. So you might be solving, the equation, you get down to here, you solve for the width and you see 12 as an answer choice and you just input that. But we have to remember, when we look at a question, always look for what they're asking for and don't stop solving until you get it. So that's it.